In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start page numbers on a specific page in Microsoft Word, PC, and Mac. This is a very useful technique, especially when you are working on formal documents like research papers, reports, or books, where the cover page and table of contents should not display page numbers. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to control exactly where your numbering begins. To get started, open your document in Microsoft Word and scroll down to the page where you want the numbering to begin. In most cases, this will be the first page of your main content, such as the introduction or the first chapter. Once you locate that page, place your cursor at the very beginning of the text on that page. This step is important because it tells Word where the new section will start. Next, go to the Layout tab at the top of the screen. In the Layout menu, click on Breaks. A drop-down list will appear with several options. Under the Section Breaks category, choose Next Page. This action creates a new section starting from the page you selected. Section breaks are essential because Microsoft Word manages page numbers by section rather than by individual page. After inserting the section break, double-click inside the header or footer area of the page where you want the numbering to appear. This will activate the header and footer editing tools. Look at the top toolbar and find the option labeled Link to Previous. Click it to turn it off. When this option is disabled, the new section becomes independent, allowing you to format its page number separately from the earlier pages. Now you can insert your page numbers. Go to the Insert tab, click on Page Number, and choose the position you prefer, such as the top or bottom of the page. Select a style that matches your document's design. If the numbering continues from the previous section, click Page Number again and select Format Page Numbers. In the dialog box, choose Start At and type the number you want, usually 1, then confirm by clicking OK. If the earlier pages still display numbers and you prefer them hidden, return to the header or footer of the first section and delete the numbers there. Because the sections are separated, this will not affect the numbering in your main content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.